Most people get this wrong. They assume every cash advance app automatically works with every bank, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking compatibility is guaranteed. Because in 2026, even small banking differences can decide whether you get approved or rejected instantly. In this video, we are breaking down the best cash advance apps that work with Chime in 2026, and how to actually use them without errors. Let's start with the basics. Chime is a popular online banking service that many people use for direct deposits, budgeting, and everyday spending. Because it is a digital bank, not every cash advance app connects to it smoothly. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some cash advance apps work perfectly with Chime because they only require a linked debit card or bank login. Others fail because they rely on traditional bank verification systems. Let's break it down step by step. First category is earned wage access apps. One of the most compatible options is Earnin. Earnin works well with Chime because it connects through bank activity and income tracking instead of requiring a traditional paycheck setup. So if Alex receives direct deposits into Chime, Earnin can often calculate his eligible advance based on real earnings patterns. But here's the problem most users face. Even if the app connects to Chime, your approval still depends on your income consistency. If your deposits are irregular, your cash advance limit can be lower or delayed. Second category is instant cash advance apps. Another widely used option is Dave. Dave is popular among Chime users because it connects easily and provides small advances based on spending behavior and account history. Jake, for example, can use it during low balance weeks without needing a traditional credit check. Now here's where it gets important. Just because an app works with Chime does not mean you will get large advance amounts. Most apps start small, then increase limits over time based on usage and repayment behavior. Third factor is transfer speed. Most apps offer free standard transfers, but instant transfers may come with fees. So even if everything connects smoothly with Chime, you still need to decide between waiting or paying for speed. Now let's talk about reliability. The best cash advance apps for Chime users are the ones that consistently sync transactions without errors. If your connection fails or transactions do not update, your eligibility may be delayed. In a minute, I'll show you a simple checklist to instantly know if a cash advance app will work with your Chime account before you even apply. Now let's simplify everything. The most reliable cash advance apps for Chime in 2026 are Earnin and Dave because they support digital banking systems and use flexible income verification methods. Let's summarize clearly. If you use Chime, you need apps that support real-time bank syncing, flexible income tracking, and simple verification. Earnin and Dave are two of the strongest options depending on your income activity. If this helped you understand cash advance apps that work with Chime, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance guides.